Halogens MCQs continuation. Which of the following is present as an active component in bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is mainly calcium oxychloride. So the composition is this one. An active component of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite. In the structure of ClF3, the number of lone pair electrons on chlorine atom. Chlorine we know halogen. Halogens contain 7 valence electrons. Out of 7 valence electrons, 3 electrons are used for bonding with the 3 fluorine atom. So remaining how many electrons? Non-bonding, 4 non-bonding electrons, hence 2 lone pair. That is chlorine contain 2 lone pair electrons. So the answer is 2. The structure of IF7. IF7 iodine heptafluoride. Around iodine there are 7 bonds, 7 bond pair electron. The geometry is pentagon. A pentagonal surface, a pentagonal plane in the middle, iodine at the center of the pentagon, and the fluorine atom, 5 fluorine atom along the 5 corners of the pentagon, and the 6th and 7th above and below the pentagonal plane. That is, the geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. The answer is this one. Manganese dioxide plus HCl on heating produces a gas A. MnO2 when heated with HCl, it produces which gas? Chlorine gas. A greenish yellow colored gas, that is chlorine gas, will be produced. This chlorine gas when combined with the fluorine excess fluorine, it produces another gas, that is an interhalogen compound. The compound is ClF3, chlorine trifluoride. And this ClF3 combines with the uranium. ClF3 is used as a fluorinating agent in the enrichment of uranium and gives 2 products, that is uranium F6 and ClF. Are the products. The gases A, B, C and D are chlorine, ClF3, UF6 and ClF. That is option B is the correct answer. Next question, match the following. X dash. X dash. In the halogen compounds of different types are given. In column 2, their shapes are given. XX dash type, 1 bond pair of electrons only. So its geometry is linear geometry. XX dash 3, there are 3 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs, total 5 electron pairs. Out of 5 electron pairs, 2 are lone pairs, 3 bond pairs. So the geometry is T-shape. Trigonal bipyramidal we expect for 5 electron pairs because 2 lone pairs are present. Hence the geometry is distorted to T-shape. XX-5, the geometry is there are 5 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, total 6 electron pair. So octahedral geometry we expect, but octahedral geometry distorted to square pyramidal. Geometry is square pyramidal. Then XX-7, its geometry is pentagonal bipyramidal. The not correct order, that is the wrong order of the property indicated in the bracket. First one, oxidizing power, fluorine greater than chlorine greater than bromine than iodine. This is correct. Oxidizing power greatest for fluorine, weakest for iodine. Ionic character it is given the order. Ionic character, we know the Fajan's rule. When the size of the anion halogen increases from fluorine to iodine, larger the anion, greater the covalent character. That means as the size of the anion increases from fluorine to iodine, covalent character increases this order. Ionic character actually decreases. That means this order is wrong. This is the order of covalent character, because larger the anion, greater the covalent character, lesser the ionic character. Ionic character actually decreases, the opposite order. Reactivity of halogen, this is also correct order. Fluorine is most reactive, iodine least reactive. Bond strength of the hydrogen halogen bond, strongest in the case of HF, weakest in the case of HI. This is also correct. So the not correct order is this one. This is the answer. The incorrect statement. Among halogens, the radius ratio between iodine and fluorine is maximum. This is correct statement, because fluorine the first element, iodine the last one. So the radius ratio is maximum with iodine and fluorine. Leaving F of bond, all other halogens have weaker XX bond than XX dash in interhalogen. This is a wrong statement, because the bond between different halogen atom is weaker. This bond is strong actually. The bond between the same halogen is stronger. The bond between different halogen is weaker. So this is the incorrect statement. Among interhalogens, maximum number of atoms are present in iodine fluoride. This is correct, no, because maximum radius ratio between iodine and fluorine, hence maximum number of atoms per molecule in iodine fluoride. We know iodine fluoride, the formula is IF7. That is, in one molecule contain 8 atoms. Interhalogen compounds are more reactive than halogen. This is also a correct statement. So this one is the wrong one.